Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of OSINT, open source intelligence. If you've ever wondered how people seem to dig up hidden info from the internet, this is where it all begins. Ever wonder how investigators, journalists, and hackers seem to know everything before anyone else? OSINT is their secret weapon, letting them uncover facts, track digital footprints, and reveal stories no one else can find. In early 2026, the internet was rocked by a massive hacker database leak. This wasn't just any breach, it exposed the actual tools hackers rely on for their most covert operations. This wasn't just another data dump lost in the noise. It was a treasure trove, packed with digital espionage secrets, and it sent shockwaves through the cybersecurity world. Today, we're breaking down the 10 most secret, most powerful OSINT tools that were exposed in that leak. Some of these you might have heard whispers about, but others, they're so advanced, they feel like something straight out of a spy movie or a high-stakes thriller. So buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready, because we're about to jump into a tech deep dive you didn't even know you needed, revealing tools that could change the way you see the digital world forever. Let's kick things off with Maltgo, a powerhouse in the world of digital investigations and relationship mapping. If you want to map out relationships between people, organizations, domains, and devices, Maltgo is the tool you'll want in your arsenal. It's designed to help you uncover connections that might otherwise go unnoticed, making it invaluable for anyone who needs to see how the digital world is linked together. Investigators love it because it visualizes connections in a way that's almost cinematic. The interface transforms raw data into dynamic, interactive graphs that make even the most complex networks easy to understand at a glance. Start with a name, an email address, or a domain, and within minutes, you've got a sprawling web of linked entities. Maltgo's speed and depth mean you can go from a single clue to a detailed map of relationships in no time. Maltgo uses transforms, automated mini-investigations that pull data from hundreds of sources across the internet. These transforms can reveal everything from social media profiles to hidden infrastructure, giving you a comprehensive view of your target. It's not just about finding data, it's about seeing the big picture, the hidden ties others miss. Maltgo helps you spot patterns, uncover hidden relationships, and connect the dots in ways that manual research simply can't match. The interactive interface lets you drag, drop, and dig deep into the data. You can rearrange nodes, zoom in on specific connections, and customize your view to focus on what matters most to your investigation. Law enforcement, cybersecurity firms, and investigative journalists all keep Maltgo in their toolkit. Its versatility means it's just as useful for tracking cybercriminals as it is for uncovering corporate networks or researching news stories. If you're wondering how pros untangle massive webs of digital relationships, this is often where it starts. With Maltgo, you're not just collecting data, you're revealing the hidden structure of the digital world. Next up, let's dive into Spiderfoot, a powerhouse in the world of automated OSINT. This tool takes the grunt work out of open source intelligence, automating the entire process so you can focus on analysis instead of manual data gathering. Simply feed Spiderfoot a domain, IP address, or username, and it springs into action, crawling hundreds of open sources, including the dark web, social media platforms, DNS records, breach databases, and much more. The outcome? You get a comprehensive, detailed report that uncovers both the obvious and the hidden connections, mapping out relationships you might otherwise miss. Spiderfoot's modular design means you can tailor your scans, whether you're hunting for exposed emails, leaked credentials, or mapping out an organization's infrastructure, you're in control. Curious if your sensitive information has surfaced on the dark web or in a recent breach? Spiderfoot can quickly pinpoint those exposures, giving you a heads up before attackers can exploit them. All results are presented in clear, interactive graphs and tables, making it easy to spot trends, patterns, and potential threats at a glance. The infamous 2026 hacker leak revealed just how widely Spiderfoot is used by both offensive red teams and defensive blue teams, making it a staple in the cybersecurity toolkit. So, if you're looking to automate the hunt for digital breadcrumbs and gain a strategic edge, Spiderfoot is the tool you'll want in your arsenal. Shodan is like Google, but for connected devices, webcams, routers, smart fridges, anything with an IP. It exposes vulnerabilities, open ports, outdated firmware, unsecured admin panels. Cybersecurity teams use Shodan to check if their own devices are exposed. Punch in a search term, say webcam, and you get thousands of live devices, often with screenshots and metadata. Shodan's filters let you zero in on geography, device type, or software version. The 2026 leak confirmed hackers use Shodan to scout for easy targets. But in the right hands, it's a powerful tool for defense, not just attack. It's a window into the world's networks. Use it wisely. Let's talk about the Harvester. This tool is all about fast, precise reconnaissance, gathering emails, subdomains, and hosts from public sources. Feed it a domain, and it scours search engines, social networks, and public records. The result, a detailed list of possible targets, email addresses, host names, even employee names. Security professionals use it during penetration tests. Hackers use it to plan attacks. The Harvester's role in the 2026 leak was no surprise. When you need a lightning-fast snapshot of your digital footprint, this is the tool. Now, let's dive into Reconing. If you love modularity, Reconing is your playground, a full-featured framework for gathering, analyzing, and reporting OSINT data. It feels like Metasploit for open-source intelligence, letting you script investigations and automate tasks. Whether you want domain info, social profiles, or infrastructure intel, there's a module for it. The command line interface is intuitive, and you can chain modules for seamless investigations. Built-in reporting generates professional results for teams or clients. The 2026 hacker leak revealed Reconing as a staple for both offense and defense. It's the Swiss Army knife of digital investigations. FOCA might not sound intimidating, but it's a powerhouse for extracting metadata from documents. PDFs, Word docs, images. FOCA pulls hidden data like usernames, file paths, software versions, even GPS coordinates. Investigators use it to trace document origins and map internal networks. FOCA automates collection and analysis, revealing details you'd never expect. Security teams use it during audits. Hackers look for digital breadcrumbs. In the hacker leak, FOCA's presence made perfect sense. Sometimes the smallest details inside a file make the biggest difference. Overwhelmed by OSINT tools? The OSINT Framework is your new best friend. It's a massive, ever-growing directory of all things OSINT, web-based and easy to navigate. Categories are neatly organized: people search, geolocation, company research, and more. Each link takes you to a specialized tool, guide, or database. In the 2026 leak, hackers referenced it as their starting point for almost every investigation. If you're new to OSINT or want to expand your toolkit, start here. Census is like a live census for the internet, scanning every device and server connected to the web. It catalogs details like certificates, banners, and services, creating a real-time map of digital infrastructure. Researchers and cybersecurity teams use Census to find vulnerabilities and monitor changes. The searchable, filterable data lets you zero in on device types, locations, or security issues. Historical data helps track how networks change over time, crucial for incident response. In the 2026 leak, Census was a go-to for mapping attack surfaces. For anyone serious about the digital landscape, it's indispensable. Google Dorks might sound funny, but it's one of the most powerful OSINT techniques. Advanced search queries, called Dorks, uncover hidden files, sensitive data, and misconfigured servers indexed by Google. With the right query, you can find exposed login portals, private documents, and backup files. Security pros use Google Dorks to audit organizations. Hackers hunt for low-hanging fruit. The syntax is simple but incredibly effective. Combine operators to unearth wild stuff. The 2026 leak proved how often hackers rely on Google Dorks for reconnaissance. Sometimes, the most powerful tools are hiding in plain sight. Last but not least, the Social Engineer Toolkit, or SET. This tool automates social engineering attacks, phishing emails, fake login pages, and more. Penetration testers use SET to simulate real-world attacks and raise awareness about social engineering threats. You can craft convincing phishing campaigns and clone legitimate websites in just a few clicks. Security teams use it to test defenses and train employees to spot social engineering. The menu-driven interface makes SET accessible to both beginners and pros. Its inclusion in the 2026 Hacker Leak was expected. Social engineering remains a top threat. With SET, you see why human error is still the biggest vulnerability. So there you have it, the top 10 secret OSINT tools leaked by hackers in 2026. OSINT isn't just about collecting data, it's about connecting the dots and revealing the bigger picture. These tools are game changers in cybersecurity and investigative journalism, but with great power comes great responsibility. Always use OSINT ethically and legally. In the wrong hands, these tools can do real harm. Which tool shocked you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching. EK, out.